god, I just know must have some candy here. I freaking find it, man. I just wanna find it! Oh my god, I freaking kill him if I freaking don't find the candy. Oh, my failure. But it's massive, and I fucking don't care. I'm just gonna tell him. Oh my god, where is Mass's room? Whoa, I'm just gonna go into him, see about he is there. Hey Mass, I'm gonna tell you something.
Yeah, what do you freaking want?
Bro, I'm just gonna tell one I've taken your candy, and I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, fuck you! I'm gonna take my candy back.
Oh my god, I'm gonna run away! Fuck, I'm gonna run away! He's right behind me!
I'm gonna cut you, bitch!
Fuck, fuck, fuck! He's not one taking me!
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you!
Oh my god, this candy is so good! Oh my god, where he is!
Oh, I'm gonna cut you, bitch! I'm gonna kill you! No.
Oh, you son! I'm so sorry!